Hey, hi, this is Anurag Aggarwal. I am a businessman, and today I had a great session with Mr. Manoj Chandra here in his organization, and it was a great eye-opener in many areas, very useful for me, and I know how to use his work and consultancy for me and for my organization. Thank you so much for the session, and the day was full of fun and information. Thank you so much.
So I would like to know two or three questions from you, which is like, what did you like most about the workshop?
Nowadays I'm learning too much about digital stuff and all that. You know, I'm a marketing expert and I did pass out 20 years back, but today's world is totally changing. So this was very useful for me regarding the digital stuff and all, and how to, spread 360 degree in digital ways. So,
Great. And what are the top 3 points of the today discussion that you found beneficial in your business?
I didn't count in that way, so I don't think I will be able to justify that question. But many points were very, very useful for me. I think more than 3.
Okay. So what's your purpose, I hope, for attending this event get fulfilled?
Yeah, my purpose, especially in my case, was fulfilled, and I will be definitely in touch with for more consultancy.
Okay. So would you like to meet Mr. Manoj Chandra for more
Yeah,
session?
sure. I talked to him, and we are going to meet soon.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice.